We're building something here, a complete journey into algorithmic trading from the very basics all the way to a professional level. If you're looking for shortcuts, quick profits, or easy money, this is not for you. Because this series is about depth, about understanding, not guessing. We're going to build your foundation and take you to the intermediate level and eventually turn you into a disciplined, system-driven trader. And no, this doesn't happen overnight. So if you're serious, if you're ready to learn this the right way, hit that subscribe button. Today is day 9. Let's continue the journey. Welcome back to the series. If you've been following along, you already understand what a trading strategy is. But today we go deeper. Today, we break down what actually makes a strategy work. Think of a trading strategy like a machine. If even one part is missing, the entire system fails. So today, we're going to build that machine piece by piece. Every solid trading strategy has 5 core components: entry, exit, stop loss, position sizing, and risk management. Let's start with the first component, entry. Entry is your decision point. It answers one simple question: when do I enter the trade? For example, you might decide when the price crosses above a moving average, I buy. That's not random. That's a rule. And this is where most beginners fail. They don't have clear entry rules. They rely on feelings. But algorithms don't feel. They follow logic. Now comes the second component, exit. Entry gets you into the trade. Exit decides your profit. For example, I will exit when price hits 2% profit. Simple, clear, repeatable. Now let's talk about the most important component, stop loss. This is your protection, your safety net. A stop loss defines how much you're willing to lose on a trade, because losses are part of the game. But uncontrolled losses destroy accounts. Next comes position sizing. This answers how much should you trade. Not every trade should be the same size. For example, you risk only 1% of your capital per trade. This keeps you alive even after multiple losses. And finally, risk management. This is the backbone of your entire system. Without risk control, nothing else matters. Risk management ensures that even if you lose some trades, your overall system still grows. Because trading is not about one trade, it's about hundreds of trades. When you combine all these components, you don't just have a strategy. You have a system, a repeatable, disciplined, powerful system. And this is the shift from emotional trading to professional algorithmic thinking. In the next lessons, we'll start connecting these components into real strategies and eventually into code. If this video added value in your life, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.